Instagram has recently released its brand new camera, the X5 model. Just like any other 360 camera, it permits us to capture amazing full-range view. Naturally, it includes technologies that remove the accessory used to hold the camera, creating very appealing scenarios. In this particular case, it can record video in stunning 4K resolution at 30 frames per second in a 360-degree view. Additionally, it is equipped with 3 artificial intelligence chips that enhance image quality, especially in low light conditions. It also features advanced stabilization known as flow state and is capable of horizon lock at 360 degrees, providing a super stable scene. Naturally, it includes various video modes, whether you desire a flat perspective or a 360 perspective. Additionally, it offers automatic editing functions like many similar cameras. However, undoubtedly, the fact that it is a 360 camera allows you to create exceptionally interesting scenes when combined with the other modes included. In this situation, it also introduces a lens featuring an ultra-durable glass that even jerry-rig everything has tested, and it appears to be quite resistant to scratches. However, if they do get damaged, you will be able to replace them easily, ensuring that the camera doesn't get damaged too easily. It now provides a battery life of 3 hours for continuous recording and also includes fast charging, allowing it to reach 80% in just 20 minutes according to the brand's promise, as long as you're able to charge the battery within a few minutes. When you are using a 30-watt charger with power delivery or PPS technology. It also includes a windproof microphone that's built directly into the camera itself. Interestingly, it also supports connection to a wireless microphone of the same brand, allowing you to make your videos much more easily. The image quality that can be observed in the initial shots that have been published is truly spectacular. It features sensors that are 144% larger than those of the previous generation, which is the reason they achieve an excellent light capture. So even at night, it appears to be quite spectacular when compared to other 360 cameras. In this case, you'll notice a much sharper image with a richer and more intense color too. Additionally, the camera is capable of HDR recording at up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, which provides a more impressive dynamic range in scenes where there is strong backlighting. One of the key advantages of recording at 360 is that you can capture multiple perspectives simultaneously, and the camera then allows you to perform all the editing afterwards. You can rotate the perspective with the camera to your desired angle. This camera features IP support, allowing submersion up to 15 meters deep, 50% more than the previous model. It includes an invisible dive case for diving up to 60 meters while recording in 360. Additionally, it offers various accessories for easy attachment to helmets or other gear, perfect for adventurers thanks to the new mount. The camera additionally features a new gesture where you just rotate it twice to begin recording, making the experience significantly easier. Moreover, it includes gesture control, allowing you to use your hand to start recording, even if you're wearing gloves. Additionally, it offers a slightly more advanced voice control, providing excellent tools for all these functions. To enhance the experience further, it provides features such as automatic cloud backup while charging, and it also includes a comprehensive cloud editor. This allows you to edit your videos directly from the computer. Additionally, it offers various artificial intelligence tools to completely transform the style of your videos. This camera has been released at a price of $549.99. On the screen, you can see reference prices in other currencies to give you a better idea. Although in this particular case, it is exclusively the camera, but there are packages with extra accessories to enhance its use. Let me know in the comments if you'd like a video review of one of these cameras. It seems super interesting.